Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you if you're facing a call recording option not showing on iOS 18, so how to fix it. So first of all, you have to make sure that your iPhone must be updated to the latest iOS 18 version. So once you're sure that your iPhone has been updated to the latest iOS 18 version, then all you have to do is open your iPhone settings, scroll down a bit until you see apps, click on apps. From the list of apps, you have to find the option called Phone. Click on Phone. From here, more options or a new page will appear. You have to scroll down just a bit until you see a call recording option. Click on it and make sure to turn on the toggle called Call Recording. Once you've turned on that toggle, your call recording option is now enabled, and that's how you can fix your call recording option not showing on iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.